Hey, what's up, Coin Fam? In today's video, we're going to be talking about a very valuable error penny. I'll show you exactly what to look for so you can identify this error, and just like the Powerball lottery, if you're lucky enough, you could hit the jackpot. This Lincoln cent looks like any everyday average penny. This one is called a wheat cent. Wheat cents were minted from 1909 to 1958, and they can easily be identified by the set of wheat ears around the edges of the penny on the left and the right of the back of the coin. This penny is made of 95% copper. Everything we just talked about is exactly what makes an older penny like this normal, but this one right here, it is far from normal. What makes this penny extremely rare and very valuable is the date, 1943. This is a 1943 Denver minted copper penny. Like I said before, older pennies were made of 95% copper, but the 1943 penny wasn't supposed to be copper. This penny is the Holy Grail error coin for collectors, and here's why. In 1943, copper was needed for ammunition for World War II. The U.S. Mint did some research and experimentation and settled on a planchet made of zinc-coated steel. All 1943 pennies were supposed to be minted on this steel planchet, not the traditional 95% copper planchet. The Mint produced over 1 billion of these steel pennies, referred to as Steelies. A tiny number of cents in 1943 were struck on copper planchets. There have been about 27 of these pennies confirmed to exist so far, and there could be more of them out there. There are plenty of fakes out there also. This 1943 Denver minted penny was graded Mint State 64 brown on a scale from 1 to 70, and it sold at auction in 2021 for $840,000. If someone found one in a higher grade, it could easily sell for over $1 million. Make sure to check your existing coin collection for this rare 1943 copper penny, especially if you have a penny collection that's been handed down through generations. If you want to learn more about rare and valuable coins, click on one of those videos on your screen. Thanks for watching.